Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy has announced that Telangana Assembly has decided to hand over Justice P.C. Ghosh Commission report to the CBI for further probe. This is with regard to the Kaleshwaram irrigation project that was started during BRS time. The decision follows a marathon debate on the 650-page report which was tabled in the House yesterday. KTR of the BRS has hit out at this decision, saying that the BJP and Congress parties are colluding to target KCR and BRS. My colleague Uma Sudhi joins us with more details on this. Uma, was this decision expected and how is the BRS looking at this?
Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy in fact said that in the Assembly he wants suggestions from all the leaders about the kind of action that could be taken on the PC Ghosh committee report, and there was a mock kind of a question by the AIMIM leader Akbaruddin Owaisi, who in fact says that the report seems to be seriously and severely indicting the former Chief Minister and other people as well, but is not suggesting any kind of punitive measures. And that's when an upset Chief Minister in fact said that I intend to take very stringent action, and subsequently late night is when he announced that he intends to hand over the probe of the Kaleshwaram lift irrigation project to the CBI for 2-3 reasons that he mentioned. One, he said the National Dam Safety Authority had also in fact criticized the then government, saying that there were problems with the way the design plan execution implementation had happened of all the 3 barrages. You would recall that just before the elections, one of the barrages in the Medigada, there was a pier that had collapsed, and subsequently the NDSC had come into the picture. He also spoke about several central agencies being involved in this issue, including WAPCOS, which had given a report about the KLAIS itself, recommendations which were contrary to what the implementation subsequently happened. So he said since multiple agencies are involved and that is beyond the state of Telangana as well, we would like the CBI to go into this. I spoke earlier today to the PCC Chief Mahesh Kumar Gaud as well as to BRS leader Vivekanand Gaud, who in fact spoke about what he called as the duplicity of the Revanth Reddy government, that on the one hand, Rahul Gandhi and Revanth Reddy both called the CBI as a mouthpiece or an extension of the government at the center, and yet they have handed over the probe to the central agency in this case. Of course, BJP leader Etela Rajender, who's also been named in the Kaleshwaram report, he's someone who has welcomed the move for the CBI report. Back to you. Your government has ordered a CBI probe into the PC Ghosh Commission report, but your party leader has said that CBI is used for eliminating the opposition. That's what KT Ramarao is claiming.
It depends upon case to case. It varies case to case. It is a demand by BJP people only. If we have taken further action, what they would have called us, it's a political vendetta. To avoid a political vendetta, we have given this case to CBI. Let CBI act fairly and go for further action.
You trust the CBI, that means, at least in this case.
Let us see what happens.
So the Congress saying that they want to give the CBI the probe because they believe that in this particular case, the BJP has demanded an inquiry by the CBI, and therefore they do not want to up that chances. Important decision that was taken in the Assembly and announced was that there will be a CBI probe into the PC Ghosh Commission report, and also he quoted the NDSA report. What does the BRS have to say about?
You see very clearly, Congress party leader in Delhi says, Rahul Gandhi says that CBI, ED and IT are, puppets of BJP in the central. Now, and he clearly says, Rahul Gandhi, that BJP in central are using all these constitutional departments like CBI, ED and IT to suppress the opposition parties. Now, how can his CM belonging to the Congress party here being the state, Revanth Reddy, how can he believe CBI? How can he get this case to the CBI? Whether Rahul Gandhi is correct or Revanth Reddy is correct, they both should decide and tell the people of Telangana whether Revanth Reddy is following the principles of Congress party, or all the people of state has a doubt that he is indirectly or indirectly touched with the BJP.
He is suggesting Congress BJP collusion in this matter because they are talking about Mr. KCR and Mr. Harish Rao, so-called indicted by the report.
Absolutely. Right from the day one, they didn't follow the procedure. They didn't follow the act. They wanted this only Congress commission. That's why we said that it's not a PC Ghosh commission, it's a PCC commission.